Hello and welcome to the first part of Yankee Doodle. I'm going to bring my keyboard in here. Notice that we're going to look for two black keys and start on the note C, which is now going to be covered up by my keyboard here. All right, take a look at this. We're going to start with C, C, D, E. And then C, E, 1, 2. From the beginning, C, C, D, E, C, E, 1, 2. And then we're at measure 3. C, C, D, E, C for 2, B for 2. Try one more time. C, C, D, E, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then let's look at measures 5, 6, 7, and 8 with Yankee Doodle saying macaroni because they stuck a feather in his cap and called it macaroni. And there's a really cool story behind that because the Italians had invented macaroni pasta, and English travelers who traveled to Italy thought that macaroni was like the best pasta, and so when they got back they called cool things macaroni because macaroni was so cool. And what they're doing is making fun of American Yankees who thought that a common feather in their hat was macaroni because they thought their style was so bad. So anyway, I think a feather in the hat's kind of cool, but I'm also American, so. Okay, let's take a look at measures 5, 6, 7, and 8. It's going to start with, I like to put my pointer finger on C. C, C, D, E, F, E, D, C, B. And then move my thumb down to G, A, B, 1, 2, 1, 2. Of course, you're welcome to use any fingers that work well for you. But if you start with the right hand pointer finger on C, then you'll have 2, 3, 4, and 5. The pinky is finger 5. Try one more time. Pointer finger on C. 1, 2, ready, go. C, C, D, E, F, E, D, C, B. Thumb, thumb, thumb. Pointer, pointer. Now let's go down to page 2. This is where it's a little trickier. Measure 9 starts to have 1 1/2 beat. So this part goes like this. A, B, A, G, A, B, C. And then we have the same kind of pattern down here. See how it's a little extra long and then the B is smaller because it's only half of the other beat. Let's try again. So starting from measure 9. 1, 2, ready, go. A, B, A, G, A, B, 1, 2. And measure 11 is going to do the same sort of thing, starting with G as 1 1/2 beats. So it has that same kind of fun rhythm. G, A, G, F, E for 2, G for 2. And those are full beats. Let's try 11 and 12 one more time, starting at G. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, A, G, E. Oh, I said the wrong letter there. G, A, G, F, E, G. And then 13, 14, 15, and 16 are also going to use that 1 1/2 beat kind of fun rhythm. Listen to this. A, B, A, G, A, B, C, A, G, C, B, D, C for 2, C for 2. And that's kind of tricky. There's a lot of stuff going on in there. Listen or try along one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, A, G, A, B, C, A, G, C, B, D, C, C. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments or let me know. But if you think you've got it mastered, then leave your name in the Hall of Fame. That means if you can play it perfectly without any mistakes all the way through. And give yourself a round of applause. Great job.